I'm David Bartosik, and I'm an engineer here at GE's Additive Development Center. And what we've built is a miniature turbine engine. This is built using an additive process called DMLM. One of the big advantages of this process is you can redesign your parts with new geometries and new alloys that typically aren't available because you're building your parts layer by layer. This engine is a perfect example of that. We started with the design for a radio-controlled aircraft engine and improved it to be designed for additive manufacturing. From there, we continued the design for the rest of the engine and then printed these parts in EOS M270 machines. We're using high-strength, high-temperature alloys that typically aren't available for the RC industry. There's some post-processing that has to occur, some machining and polishing of different parts. And we assembled our engine, rigged up some data acquisition systems, mostly for exhaust gas temperature and engine speed and thrust measurements. And then we tested this engine in a test cell at GE Aviation in Evendale.